Prima Foods are a specialist shortenings manufacturer for the bakery industry. We supply to business, retail and to food service. We started dealing with 0 to 5 in 2012. Since then the business has moved from making 2 products to 25 products. We've moved from BRC grade C to BRC AA. So they've supported us through the journey from being a simple young business turning over about £1 million a year to a more complex one turning over about £6 million a year. We've received a range of support from Project HELIX from mentoring support for different people within the organisation, mainly technical department. We've had help and support on quality systems, moving from grade C to grade AA with the gluten-free module. Then we've had specific areas like waste control, cooking validation, sensory panel, using their sensory panel suite. We've also had help to test before we invest in their test kitchens there, so we can validate machinery and processes.
Project HELIX gives technical department confidence to grow, help developing new products, control process, especially allergen control, help with working out layouts in new cooking facilities and gluten-free units.
Project HELIX has given us the confidence to develop products and to invest and grow the business, knowing that we've got the technical backup of a bigger business. The other key benefit is to have act as a portal to other areas of expertise and knowledge that we don't have in-house, and nor would we on a company of our size. So it's allowed us to reach out to find out what we need to know at different times to make the project work.
Project HELIX is great for people who want to learn about food safety and legality in real life, with support and mentoring from university. If
another company is thinking of using Project HELIX, I would say just get involved. Whether you're looking to develop your technical processes towards accreditation, or whether you're looking for some help with a particular project, 0 to 5 help you all along the way, and they'll help you through to completion.